This again was probably our trickiest problem, our hardest one that we gave you on this formative. So let's go through and let's really break this down. It says Dina had 100 pieces of candy to hand out to friends. So that's what we're starting with. That's what everything together is. She gave 2/5 of her candy to Nicole. Of is a key word. Do you remember what operation of is a key word for? Of means multiply. 2/5 of her candy. How much candy does she have? She has 100 pieces. So I need to do 2/5 times 100 to figure out how much Nicole gets. Nicole gets 2/5 of means multiply her candy, 100 pieces. So let's throw this in our calculator to see how much candy Nicole's going to get. So if I do my fraction, my 2/5 times 100, I get 40. So that means that Nicole's going to get 40 pieces. Let's take a look at Brenda now. It says 25% of her candy. What does of mean in math? What operation is of? Multiplying. And how much candy does Dina have? Dina has 100 pieces. So to figure out how much Brenda is going to get, what math do we have to do? 25% times 100 to figure out how much Brenda's going to get. There's a few different ways to type this in your calculator, so let me show you two. Let me show you two ways. Let's move me up here. So one way that we can do this is we can do 25, and then we see that we have this percent button. When we click that percent button, it automatically types the word of in there. And we just kept saying of means what operation? Of means multiplication. So 25% of 100 is going to multiply 25% times 100. So we see there that Brenda's going to get 25 pieces of candy. That's one way you can do it. And another way you could do it is you could convert that percent to a decimal. And if you want to do that, that's totally fine. Move that decimal to the left. So you'd be doing 0.25 times 100, and you'll get the same answer. 0.25 times 100, I'd still get there's 25 pieces. Either way works. Either way works. And then lastly, we need to figure out how much Osale is going to get. And most of us were right in knowing that we need to subtract to figure out how much Osale is going to get. So we know that altogether, Dina has 100. Dina has 100. And if we subtract 40 for Nicole and we subtract 25 for Brenda, whatever's left over, whatever this number is, that's how much Osale is going to get. That's how many pieces he's going to get. So let's use our calculator and find out. So we started with 100, subtract 40 for Nicole, subtract 25 for Brenda. We see Osale is going to get 35 pieces. 35 pieces of candy. Congrats. I hope it's good. If you have any questions about this, please let us know. The biggest thing when you see ofs like this in math, of means multiply.